Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can extract the audio from the video in CapCut Special for PC. So actually it's super simple. You are just going to import your audios you can import your videos that you like to extract the audio. For example, like the video and right click on the clip and you can select extract the audio. So the extracted is appears and behind the video. So the second way can go to audio and select extracted audios and import your video that you want to extract. Here's the extracted. Just add to the tray. Alright, that's it. It's super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.